The story is about a dialogue between a learned man, sage Ashtavakra, born with 8 deformities of the body, and King Janak. King Janak had a dream, and in that dream, he sees that he has torn clothes and is hungry. He is begging for food. After roaming for a while, he gets some food to eat. Having taken the food in a begging bowl, King Janak went to a secluded place and sat silently to eat the food. As he was about to eat the food, he saw 2 bulls fighting, and as they fought, they began to rush towards the king, and in the process damaged the bowl in which the food was kept. Here King Janak is hungry, starving and feeling cold, and does not have enough to wear, and is suffering badly. Suddenly, King Janak wakes up from the bed in desperation and has this big question: Am I the king who was dreaming that I was a beggar? Or am I a beggar dreaming right now that I am a king? And because of this, he was not able to sleep the rest of the night. He had this basic question: Who am I? The dreamer or the waker? Next morning, he calls all the learned people to his assembly and put this question. Nobody was able to answer until Ashtavakra came to the assembly, and he responded to the king's question and said, "O king, neither that is real, nor is this real. Neither your dream was real, nor is this waking state real. Neither was that beggar real, nor is this king real. That which illumines both of these, the beggar and the king and the dream, that is real." This answer is most fascinating and describes what Vedanta is in essence.
Namaste, I'm Jessica. India caught my attention when I was 15, and I was drawn towards its rich spiritual heritage ever since. Coming to India made me realize how differently life can be approached when your perspective toward life changes. I joined Transformative, a publishing house that creates courses about ancient wisdom applied to everyday life. Once you start discovering this ancient wisdom that has been kept alive for so many years, you start discovering yourself. When thinking about a new challenge, I came across Vedanta, and that's how I met Lavlesh, an expert in the field of Vedanta philosophy.
It's a complex world. People are struggling to find solutions, be it in science, education, business, or environment. So Vedanta comes here, shows you another paradigm, more deep, more profound, with a real basis. Vedanta brings a different way of thinking, a new perspective, a different way of looking at the world. It's more relevant to go back to something that is very ancient, but it's more urgently needed in these contemporary times. The essence of Vedanta philosophy, the answer to the question, who am I, is one of the main reasons why thousands of people come to India every year. But even though people from around the world keep traveling to India with the aim of discovering themselves, very few are able to realize that all the answers to their questions lie in the Vedanta philosophy. Vedanta is one among the 6 schools of Indian philosophy, highly revered and significant in the Indian tradition of learning. It is a science over 2000 years old, and it still manages to connect with us. Today, we want to introduce you to the Vedanta experience, a unique multimedia course that will recall the essence of the philosophy of Vedanta. As we dig deep into this course, we will first try to understand what we are. And in order to understand what we are, we will need to understand what we are not. I will bring in various characters from the Indian wisdom and scriptures that will best represent us and will ask questions that we have. These characters in the forms of stories are nothing but our own representation. As you begin to understand yourself in greater detail, you will be able to discover your fullest potential through the 8 modules of this program.
We understand that Vedanta is not accessible to everyone easily because of its complexity, language barriers, and other limitations, which is why we collaborated with experts and made a creative team that would bring the knowledge core and creative learning together. The Vedanta Experience course will work with interactive exercises with the help of real-life examples, experiments, and stories to help you understand the reason and the answer to why thousands of people travel to India every year searching for the answer to the question, "Who am I?" but from the comfort of your couch. This course will be available in digital and physical formats, so you can watch it from your smartphone, your tablet, TV, or your computer. This will help you imbibe the key learnings at your own pace in your own space. Support our project and be proud of being part of the creation of the course that will not only make you discover who you truly are, but will also help thousands of people who are looking for answers.
And allow those who can't travel so far to seek this knowledge, to acquire this valuable wisdom and apply it to their life. When we complete this project, we will be able to share this worldview with anyone who wants to travel back in history and bring this philosophy to their lives for a lifetime.